Hey guys, what's going on? Good to see you again. This episode I decided to record about why I believe in investing in real estate and why I believe real estate is one of the best investments you can do for yourself. I began my career in 1999, got my license. I was very young at the time and I have no idea pretty much what I was doing. I have no help from my parents. I have no relatives in this country who can help me to get clients and stuff, so I have to build my business myself. And first 6 months I was learning a lot of materials and we go through a lot of different classes, and I didn't make any money at all. So I made probably about $60,000. I was excited, pumped up. Yes, $60,000. That was a lot of money for me at that time. And following year I made $120,000, and following year I made a little bit more and more and more and more. Eventually in 2004, 2005, my monthly income was about $30,000 a month. It was pretty steady income, and I was thinking to myself, yes, I made jackpot, I'm excited, I'm lucky, I made my life, and I've got exactly what I want. I have no idea about rental market, and I made money and spent money on expensive toys, Porsche Cayenne. I just came up available in 2004, I believe, and 2005 I bought one cash, $70,000. It was crazy money, stupid money I spent it, and because I have no idea about what to do and how to invest in real estate. 2007 we got recession, everything changed, and I realized this money is not coming every day like it used to become, and so everything's changed. And I start thinking about okay, I need to invest in something where I'm not just making money, it actually brings the money in the future. And I was working hard again with a lot of short sales at the time. And 2017 I met Cody Tashedis. He's a great investor. He owns about 84 doors right now. He told me, Oleg, you should invest in real estate. You should never sell your properties. If you buy a property, keep them as a rental. In 2017 I was start thinking about that and switch my mood from buy and flip. I decided to buy and hold real estate properties. I have right now 4 rental homes. I keep them, and now I see real value in that, and I'm gonna tell you guys why I'm thinking it's a great investment to the rental market. But before, let me talk about a little bit about recession. A lot of people are scared about recessions and they're thinking we should not invest, we should not buy because price is gonna go down, what's gonna happen with that. And I lived through the 2 recessions. I lived through recession in 2001, 2002 was .com recession, if you guys remember. And in this recession actually prices appreciated in real estate for about 6.6%. And recessions from 2007 to 2010, prices declined about 19.5%. But in 2005 I have few properties in Bellevue, and I sold at the time because I did not know again about rental market. In 2017 I'm start FIRE movement. If you guys know what the FIRE means, FIRE is financial independent, retired only. You don't have to be 65 years old to retire. You don't have to wait all your life to get your 401k back and social security. But you have to build your rental asset portfolio in order to retire early. 4 fundamentals to understand generational wealth is first one is positive cash flow. Positive cash flow is very important because what's the point to invest in real estate if it doesn't make any money, right? So you have to understand how to calculate cash on cash investment. Second one is appreciation. Appreciation is important too. You need to find the property, you have great locations when they appreciate the most you can get. Some area property appreciate 4%, and some areas property appreciate 10 to 15%. And even right now when some areas prices dropping, in some areas prices still appreciate, for example like Mercer Island or Kirkland. What important things to understand is mortgage pay down. You get a mortgage for the property, you see when your appreciation is going up, your mortgage actually going down. So you slowly repay your mortgage to the bank every month. It's pretty much like you pay for yourself. You borrow from yourself, from your bank, and you pay to yourself money, and eventually with the 30 years you will have no debts, no mortgage, and you're gonna have a lot of assets in this property available for you. And when you see this graph right now on the screen, what you see there is your equity is increased. Your equity increase as soon as you paid off your mortgage, as soon as your appreciations increase, your equity increase every day, every month, every year, little by little by little. And by the end of the mortgage, you're gonna own the property with a lot of value in those real estate assets. And lastly, the tax benefits. Tax benefits is very important to understand. When you have rental properties, you can depreciate property value up to 29.5 years. And when you divided that, like for example, if your house worth like $600,000, you can write off almost $15,000 a year for the property for depreciation and don't have to pay income taxes on that. You can depreciate all the repairs, your property improvements, all those items is write off for you, and a lot of tax benefits with that. Thank you guys for being with me to end of this episode. If you like it, smash like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions about real estate market in Seattle area, Bellevue area or East Side, please reach out to me. My number on the screen right now, so I would love to be your real estate resource for any questions you have. And with that, make a fantastic week.